Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just a real quick one. This is from Richcraft in the UK. They make acrylic pens. This is their brand name. There we go. I'll get the link as well, put that in the description box. They very nice chap. I think his name is Richard. Every week they list a bunch of acrylic pens that you can then decide from. So let's have a look. It says on the packaging that there's a chocolate bar in here, but I can't feel a chocolate bar, so I'm wondering, because I see that there's tape there, brown tape. I wonder if someone snagged my chocolate bar, because I'm kind of, liking the idea of an English chocolate bar. Ooh, no, there it is. It's still in there. Ha ha ha. Ooh, got me a chocolate bar. Right, let's have a look. Oh, wow. This is so beautiful. Oh, I likes it. I really likes it. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. I don't know. Let me move that light. That's better. Very, very nice. That's the one. Ooh, very nice. So cool. Right, I am going to check if my multi-places fit in this. So I just need to be careful because they're full of little balls. Yeah, well, squeeze it in and then it goes in. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so these are the two that I got, and they are $19.40. And then I had to pay for shipping as well, and that varies obviously depending on where it is that you stay. And I opted for tracking, just so, I like to just keep an eye on where all my goodies are. Oh, this is so beautiful. Right, just look at it, guys. Just look at it. It's beautiful. Let me see if I can put a white backing down there. There we go. Right, you can just keep looking while I give you the information. So that is Richcraft in the UK. Thank you to Rachel Ray and Mrs. Crochet and Coffee. They put me onto this guy and his beautiful pens. Effortless transaction, communication was great. Really, really nice. I don't know if it's him and his wife or just him, but either way, it was really just a very, very nice experience. No issues whatsoever. So go check him out. I'll put the link in the description. Thank you, Richard, if you end up seeing this video, thank you so much for these pens. They are beautiful. Right guys, just a short one. Just wanted to show you guys the pens. And please watch out for the next video, and I'll see you guys. Take care. Bye.